Welcome to our channel. Struggling with stubborn belly fat? In this video, we'll share the top 10 home remedies to help you reduce belly fat naturally. These tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive in. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is a natural detox drink that boosts metabolism and aids in fat burning. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning for best results. 2. Drink green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants like catechins that enhance fat burning. Replace sugary drinks with green tea and drink it twice a day for visible results. 3. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar improves digestion and reduces fat storage. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals. 4. Include cinnamon in your diet. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels and prevents fat accumulation. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to your tea, coffee, or oatmeal for a flavorful health boost. 5. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Foods like oats, flax seeds, and vegetables are rich in soluble fiber, which keeps you full for longer and reduces belly fat. Make them a regular part of your diet. 6. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key for fat loss. Drinking water helps flush out toxins, improves digestion, and keeps your metabolism active. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. 7. Avoid sugary foods and beverages. Sugar is a major culprit behind belly fat. Cut down on sugary drinks, candies, and processed foods, and replace them with natural sweeteners like honey or fruits. 8. Try ginger tea. Ginger tea boosts digestion and curbs appetite, helping reduce belly fat. Brew fresh ginger slices in hot water and drink it twice daily for optimal results. Practice portion control. Eating large meals can lead to fat storage. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and eating slowly to prevent overeating. 10. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in weight management. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger and fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. These home remedies can help you reduce belly fat naturally when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Consistency is key, so start incorporating these tips into your routine today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Hit the E to get notified about our latest uploads. Thanks for watching.